Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about BullX and ask what kind of fees might you expect if you start trading with them. In order to do so, here we are starting at bullx.io. And this is what you're first going to encounter when you look into BullX is that you're going to have to connect your Telegram. So if you don't have an account with Telegram, then you're going to need to do that in order to connect your Telegram with BullX and start trading. Now, what is it that you can expect with BullX as far as the fees go? Well, after doing some research, there's a few details here that we could take a look at. First of all, there is a 0.9% fee per transaction with BullX. In addition to that, if you have the BullX Neo, it is going to be 1% per transaction. These fees go towards powering the BullX bot. Aside from these platform fees, you're also going to encounter standard Solana transaction fees when trading. This includes a priority fee, which is usually around 0.01 SOL. You set this at higher and you can get faster execution. There is a bribe fee, also usually around 0.01 SOL. And if you set this higher, you also can have it go faster. There's also the gas fees to process the transaction. So you have to keep those in mind. And also there is a pump.fun fee. If you're trading pump.fun tokens, then there's also an additional 1% fee that's charged by their protocol. So these are all things that you need to take into consideration when you are trading with BullX. And from the information that I have done research on, I've gathered that you do need to be careful when trading because you might end up breaking even with the amount of fees that you might have to pay. So how is it that you can minimize your fees? Well, you can use larger orders. So small trades are heavily impacted by fixed fees like gas and bribes. You can also set reasonable priority and bribe fees by to avoid overpaying for faster execution unless necessary. You can also monitor market conditions using the BullX tools to time trades for maximum efficiency. So despite the fees, BullX is reported to have some of the best trading platforms that's out there for Solana meme coins. Its speed, reliability, and advanced features make it invaluable. However, it is something that you need to be aware of, that it is possible that you can end up breaking even or even losing money just based on the different fees such as gas, BullX fees, and the other fees that you might encounter when trading. So those are all things to take into consideration with BullX and what you can expect with its fees. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.